Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. Ever feel like your brake and clutch levers are working against you? Like your hands just did a full gym session after a short ride? Say goodbye to arm pump and hand fatigue, and hello to precision control with the Wunderlich Vario Levers. Designed for riders who demand comfort and adaptability, these levers put you in total control, no matter how or where you ride. Let's start with the Vario clutch lever. And yeah, this one's a game changer. It gives you a full 35 millimeters of length adjustment, so whether you prefer one-finger clutch pull or a full 4-finger squeeze, this lever adapts to your riding style on the fly. The 6-stage reach dial isn't just aesthetic. It allows you to fine-tune the lever position closer or further from the bar, even while you're riding. Gloves on? No problem. That dial is glove-friendly and built for real-world use. Now let's look at the Vario brake lever. Engineered with the same level of control and customization, adjust it for a short, rapid response, or extend it for a smoother, more progressive braking. Either way, the ergonomic design hugs the bar perfectly, giving you a natural feel and better feedback. Just like the clutch lever, the brake lever comes with a 6-stage reach adjuster, so you can make quick changes without tools, whether you're navigating a mountain pass or pulling over for a quick stop. Both Vario levers are CNC machined from aerospace-grade aluminum, strong enough to withstand over 130 pounds of force without flexing, fading, or failing. And that black anodized finish? It's not just for looks. It resists corrosion, scratches, and the daily grind of real riding. So these aren't just pretty parts. They're designed to take a beating while delivering next-level performance. With Wunderlich Vario levers, you get custom fit, superior comfort, and full adjustability, whether you're commuting, touring, or tearing up the trails. Sold separately, order both clutch and brake Vario levers for a complete upgrade. Find them now at wunderlichamerica.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more ride-ready upgrades from Wunderlich America. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.